Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? Are you okay? Fine, alhamdulillah. Okay. Today, this is the first grade, first term. Our subject is English language. Our lesson today is Unit 2, My Body, Rhythms and Sounds on page 15. My name is Badr Swaidan. With me teacher Fawaz Al-Aqil. Okay. What we will learn today, okay, we will learn how to chant the head and shoulders chant, touch the body part the teacher says, and learn some body parts, okay. First of all, let's make a quick revision for our last lesson. Okay, can you tell me what is this? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a head. Perfect. Yes, this is a head. Yes, that's right. Okay. What about these? What about these? Yes, head and shoulders. Yes, that's right. Excellent. Yes, shoulders. Shoulders. Say it with me. Shoulders. Excellent. Okay. What about these? Yes, these are knees. Excellent. Yes, knees. Knees. The K is silent. Okay, no K here. So it is knees. Knees. Excellent. Okay. What about these? Yes, can you tell me? They are toes. Yes, that's right. Toes. Toes. So again, we have head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Perfect. Okay. Now, can you tell me what are these? What are these? They are eyes. Eyes. Perfect. Eyes. So we have eyes. Also, we have, what are these? Yes, ears. Excellent. Ears. Say it with me. Ears. Yes, that's right. Okay. What about this? Yes, what is this? This is a nose. Yes, that's right. Nose. Nose. Okay. What about this? Yes, this is a mouth. Yes, that's right. Excellent. Mouth. Mouth. Perfect. Okay. Now, on page 14 last time, we took the question chant and point. Okay, do you remember? Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Yes, head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Excellent. Okay, before we start, let's read it slowly. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Okay, again, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, what about this? Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Again, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, knees and toes. Last one, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, now we will reread it again, but fast. Okay, not slowly, fast. Okay, let's start. Head, shoulders. Yes, do it with me. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Excellent. Again, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Excellent. Okay, eyes. Yes, excellent. Ears. Yes, and mouth and nose, knees and toes. Last one, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Perfect, that's correct, excellent. Okay, now, number 2, listen, point and pronounce. Okay, these are the body parts. What are the body parts? Body parts like head, like hands, like mouth. These are body what? Body parts. Perfect. Now let's listen and repeat with them. Okay, let's start.
Head, 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 head. Shoulders, 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 shoulders. Knees, 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 knees. Toes, 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 toes. Eyes, 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 eyes. Ears, 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 ears. Mouth, 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 mouth. Nose, 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 nose.
Okay, so we have eight body parts. 8 body parts. Excellent. Okay, now let's start our lesson for today. Again, what we will learn today, we will learn chant the head and shoulders chant, touch the body part the teacher says, and learn some body parts. Okay, now on page 15, we have our lesson today is fun time. Fun time. Okay, time means what? Yes, this is time. What time is it? This is the time. Excellent. What about fun? Yes, like playing, like happy. Okay, so these are fun time. Okay, on page 15, open your books. Open your books on page 15. Page 15. Okay, did you open it? Okay, let's start. Okay, now at the top of the page, okay, we have something called grammar toolbox. Okay, focus on this. We have one and we have another one here is more than one. What does mean one? This is one. Excellent. One. So we have one. What about more than one? That means 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay, more than one. So we have here only one. Here is more than one. Maybe 2, 3, 4. Okay, one, more than one. Okay, now, okay, look at this boy. We have a boy here, and this boy has what? Many body parts. Body parts, head, shoulders, etc. Okay, now what we will do, we will choose. If there is only one body part, I will write it here. If there are two body parts, that will be what? On the right side here, in more than one. Okay, let's see it. Okay, look at his head. This is a head, isn't it? Head. How many heads do we have? How many heads? Only one. This boy has one head. Excellent. Where is one here? Here is one, or here? This is one. Excellent. So the head will be here. The head will be here. Why? Because we have only one what? One head. Excellent. So we have one head. One head. Excellent. Okay. What about these shoulders? How many shoulders do we have? Yes, one or two. What do you think? Yes? Yes, it is 1, 2. Perfect. Okay. So should I put shoulders here in one or more than one? Yes, excellent. It will be here. That's right. Excellent. So shoulders. Why? Because I have 2 shoulders. Excellent. I have 2 shoulders. That's right. Okay. What about mouth? Mouth. Yes. Can you tell me how many mouths do we have? Yes. How many? 1 or 2 or 3? Yes. It is only 1. That's right. Okay. Where should I put this? Here or here? Left or right? Yes. Excellent. On the left side, under one group. So we have 1 head, 1 mouth. 1 head, 1 mouth. 1 head and 1 mouth. Excellent. Okay. Now, what about, what is this? Yes, we call it eye. And we have 2 eyes. Okay, eyes. Okay. Is it under one or more than one? What do you think? Eyes. 1, 2. 1, 2. What do you think? Yes, 1? No, it is. They are 2. Excellent. So we will put it here. Excellent. So we have shoulders, 2 shoulders, and we have 2 eyes. Excellent. But head and mouth, 1 head and 1 mouth. Excellent. Okay. What about this? What we call it? Yes. This is what? A nose. Perfect. Nose. How many noses do you have? How many noses? How many noses? Yes? Only 1. Perfect. Okay. Where should I put it? Here or here? Yes, this is 1. So I will put the nose here. That's right. Excellent. So we have 1 head, 1 mouth, and 1 nose. Perfect. Okay. What about these? What are they? They are ears. Excellent. Ears. How many do we have? 1, 2. Excellent. So I will put them here. Excellent. Yes. So we have ears. Ears. Okay. In English, we call one thing singular and many things, 2, 3, 4, we call them plural. Okay. Next, inshallah, years you will learn this. Okay. So we have 1 and more than 1. Okay. Look at those. If you have 2 or 3 or 4, you will add S. Okay. 1 is shoulder. 2 shoulders. Okay. Shoulders. The same with eyes. If I say 1 eye, I will not add S. Okay. But if I have 2 eyes, I will add S. Eyes. Also, ears. I have 1 and 2. So I will say what? Ears. Ears with S. Okay. If I'm talking about only 1 ear, I will say ear. Ear. Ears. Ear. Ear. Ears. Eye. Eye. Eyes. Eye. Eye. Eyes. Perfect. Okay. Let me give you a extra exercise. What are these? You know? What are these? Yes, they are knees. Excellent. Why knees? Because we have 2, not knee, knees. Excellent. Okay. Where can I put it? Here or here? What do you think? Yes, knees. We have 2, so I will put it here. Excellent. Yes. So we have knees. Excellent. What about these? What are they? Can you tell me? Yes, they are toes. Perfect. Toes. Okay. How many toes do we have? Yes, 1 and 2. So I will put it here or here. Yes, here. Excellent. So why? Because we have S, knees, not knee, knees, and toes, toes, because they have 2. So with more than 1, 2, or 3, I will use S, 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 S. But if I have only 1, there is no S, there is no S, no S, no S. Okay? Nose. Okay? Head, mouth. There is no need to S here. Okay, excellent. Okay, now, this is a teacher. Okay? This is a teacher. Number 3, on the same page, page 15, the teacher says, the teacher. Who is teacher? I'm a teacher. And you're a student. I'm a teacher. Teacher. Okay? The teacher says. What does it mean says? Yes, say it with my mouth. Says. Okay? The teacher says. Touch what your teacher says. Touch. What does it mean touch? Yes, touch. Touch with your head. Okay? Touch. Touch your head. Touch your eyes. Touch your nose. Touch your mouth. Touch. Okay? Touch. This is touch. Okay. So, touch what your teacher says. Okay? I will say something and you will do it. Okay? Let's see it here. Okay, this is a boy here. Okay, this boy has a face with mouth, nose, eyes, and head. Okay, so the teacher here says, the teacher says, touch your nose. The teacher says, touch your nose. So he will what? Touch his nose. Okay, he will touch his nose. Touch. Okay, this is the touch. Excellent. Okay, if I don't say the teacher says, I don't say the teacher says, I just touch your nose. Okay, so don't touch your nose. Okay, if I say the teacher says, do it. If I don't say the teacher says, don't do it. Okay, so here I don't say the teacher says, so I will not touch. Okay, let's practice. Okay, now the teacher says, touch your nose. I touch the nose. Okay, now let's give a practice here. The teacher says, touch your nose. Will you touch it? Yes, touch your nose. Excellent. Okay. The teacher says, touch your eyes. Yes, touch your eyes. Perfect. Excellent. Okay. The teacher says, touch your head. Touch your head. Excellent. Okay. What about this? Touch your ears. No. Why? I don't say the teacher says. The teacher says, the teacher says, the teacher says, but here there is no the teacher says. So it's not applicable here. Okay, don't touch your ears. Why? Because I don't say the teacher says. Okay, if I say the teacher says, do it. Okay, if I don't say the teacher says, then don't do it. Okay, let's start. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, the teacher says, touch your knees. Touch your knees. Yes, excellent. You touch it. Excellent. So if I say the teacher says, touch your knees, excellent. That's right. Okay. What about this? The teacher says, touch your nose. Touch your nose. Yes, that's right. You touch it. Excellent. Okay. What about this? Touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. No, don't touch it. Excellent. Why? There's no the teacher says. Okay. There's no the teacher says. Excellent. So don't touch your eyes. Excellent. Okay. Let's continue. What about this? The teacher says, touch your toes. Yes, touch your toes. Excellent. You touch it. Excellent. So touch your toes. Perfect. Okay. Let's move on. The teacher says, touch your head. Touch your head. Yes, what is your head? Excellent. Touch your head. Perfect. So the teacher says, touch your head. Excellent. Perfect. Okay. Touch your ears. Touch your ears. No, don't touch it. Excellent. Why? The teacher doesn't say it. Okay. So if I say the teacher says, do it. Excellent. So don't touch your ears. Perfect. Excellent. Okay. The teacher says, touch your shoulders. Yes, the teacher says, touch your shoulders. Excellent. Yes, you touch it. Excellent. Perfect. So like this. Touch your heads. Perfect. Excellent. Okay. What about this? The teacher says, touch your nose. Touch your nose. Yes, touch your nose. Excellent. You touched your nose. Perfect. Okay. What about this? Touch your nose. Don't touch it. Excellent. Why? The teacher doesn't say it. The teacher doesn't say it. Perfect. Okay. What about this? The teacher says, touch your ears. Touch your ears. Yes, excellent. Touch your ears. Perfect. Because the teacher says. The teacher says. Perfect. So touch your ears. Perfect. Okay. What about this? Touch your knees. Don't touch it. Why? The teacher doesn't say it. Excellent. Don't touch your knees. Excellent. Perfect. Okay. The teacher says, touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Yes. Did you touch it? Excellent. Did you touch it? Yes. Touch your eyes. Okay. So the teacher says, touch your eyes. Perfect. Okay. Now let's do it again, but be quick. Okay. Be quick. Okay. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. The teacher says, touch your nose. Touch your nose. Excellent. Touch your eyes. No. Excellent. The teacher says, touch your toes. Yes, excellent. You touch it. Excellent. What about this? The teacher says, touch your head. Excellent. Yes, that's right. Okay. Touch your ears? No. Perfect. The teacher says, touch your shoulders. Yes, excellent. Okay. The teacher says, touch your nose. Excellent. Yes, that's right. Okay. Touch your nose? No. Okay. What about this? The teacher says, touch your ears. Perfect. That's right. Excellent. Okay. Touch your knees? No, don't touch it. Excellent. Okay. The teacher says, touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Yes, excellent. That's right. Okay. So, what we have learned today, we have learned chant, the head and shoulders chant, touch the body part, the teacher says, and learn some body parts. Okay? This is our lesson today. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.